Hello everybody and welcome back to this week's edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. We have entered the month of September. We have plenty of used cars on the lot. The new car specials are very strong. So while the weather's still nice, come out and see us, see what we can offer you, and hopefully drive home in your dream car. I do have 5 new cars for you today that you have not seen before. Again, ranging from all different makes, models, prices, and sizes. I know you're excited. Let's get into these cars. First up here, we have a 2023 Toyota Corolla LE. It's got 63,662 miles on it, gray interior, 32 and 41 miles per gallon. It's got Bluetooth, a split fold seat, backup camera, clean Carfax, and only one owner. That's a common theme today. Retailing for $19,758. Next up is a 2018 Ford Escape SEL. It's got 98,292 miles on it, black interior, 23 and 30 miles per gallon. It's got heated seats and powered seats, Bluetooth, backup camera, clean Carfax, only one owner, and it's retailing for the very affordable price of $11,900. Next up, we have a super clean 2021 Jeep Wrangler 4xe Sahara. It's got 42,646 miles on it. Black interior, it is a hybrid, getting 50 miles per gallon combined. It's got navigation, heated seats, and steering wheel, Bluetooth, fully customizable still like normal Jeeps are with a soft top, clean Carfax, one owner, retailing for the affordable price of $29,900. And now we have a 2020 Acura RDX. It's got 80,015 miles on it, black interior, all-wheel drive, getting 27 miles per gallon, power moonroof, Bluetooth, powered and heated seats, backup camera, blind spot, again, clean Carfax, and another one-owner vehicle, retailing for $23,500. And last but not least, here we have another Ford Escape. This one is a 2017 Ford Escape SE. It's got 97,521 miles on it, black interior, four-wheel drive with Bluetooth, power seating, backup camera, again, clean Carfax, another one owner, retailing for $1,000 less than the other one, $10,900. Thank you very much for watching this week's edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we are in the month of September. New car specials are strong, used cars, inventory is very full, so we have something for everybody here. We are located at 6840 Springboro Pike, right by the Dayton Mall. Plenty of inventory, plenty of people to help you out and get you information on these cars. So come out and see us. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.